Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a wonderful plant that is not only a joy to grow, but also a powerhouse of benefit. Peppermint, or mentha, piperita. This versatile herb can be a fantastic addition to your garden, offering a range of uses and advantages. Peppermint is renowned for its numerous health benefits. It is commonly used to support digestive health, alleviate respiratory issues, and enhance various culinary dishes with its refreshing flavor. Thanks to its cooling and soothing properties, peppermint is a popular choice for both medicinal and culinary applications. For those looking to grow peppermint, it's important to follow a regular watering cycle. This plant thrives with consistent moisture, so ensure that the soil is kept moist at all times. The ideal seasons for growing peppermint are spring and summer, when the conditions are most favorable for its growth. When it comes to harvesting, you can start picking the leaves continuously once the plant is well established. Peppermint prefers moist, well-drained soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Additionally, it requires full sun to partial shade, ensuring it receives at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily for optimal growth. Medicinally, peppermint is a true gem. It is used to soothe indigestion, relieve headaches, and act as a natural decongestant. The menthol in peppermint oil can provide relief from muscle pain and improve respiratory function. Refresh your life with peppermint, the perfect blend of health, flavor, and fragrance, right at your doorstep. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.